This is Chapter 11, Part 2. At this point, you should have watched Part 1 and the two short videos I have on narrowing your topic, narrowing your subject down to a good topic, and writing a specific goal statement. So now we want to look at identifying and evaluating a variety of types of information. All right, so you've got factual statements. These are things that can be verified, and you can bring out a fact checker to do that. These are statistics that you have or stories. You can also include expert opinions. You can, to illustrate things, you can use anecdotes, quotations. You can make comparisons, so compare and contrast things. Again, that's all helpful to give your audience a deeper understanding of the information you're providing. You want to make sure that you include diverse cultural perspectives so that you're reaching everybody that has the potential that could be in your audience. Now, for this speech, you need to have, this says an annotated bibliography. You need to use MLA, which I think stands for Modern Language Association. You need to use the MLA style of citations. You will need to have a works cited page. You can have research cards. Now, a research card is something that as you're researching, just jot down information on a 3x5 card. This just gives you an example here, the topic, fracking, the health issues around it, and then, a quote that he has. So as you're doing your research, put these things on 3x5 cards so that you can compile them and use that then to create your outline and then your persuasive speech. Now, in your speech, you are required to have oral citations. This refers to it as an oral footnote. So here are some examples of how you would include an oral citation in your speech. Thomas Friedman, noted columnist for the New York Times, stated in his book, "The World is Flat," so on and so forth. Or according to an article in U.S. News and World Report, the average college graduate, yada, yada, yada. That's all you need to do to have oral citations in your speech. Okay, so these research cards that you create, you can use them during your speech to make sure that you get facts and figures and dates and things correct. It should give you all the citation information that you need to create your works cited page. You've got your key facts, and it might include keywords or main ideas that you want to include. And again, you create these while you're doing your research. You use them to create your speech outline, and you may also use them to jog your memory when you're actually delivering your speech. And that is the end of Part 2 for Chapter 11. And in the next set of videos, we'll go into Chapter 12.